Show you how to properly drive one of these hex screw heads. The technique that I found best works for me. So you see here, typically it has a little area here for you to add just a flathead screwdriver to physically drive it. Whenever I found I do that, especially on these brass ones, they strip very easily. Check out the damage to that. So what I found you do is you take a drill your hole. Right? Drill your hole accordingly. Then you put the hex screw in. Then you get your appropriately sized screw head. Okay. Put it in. Get a drill. Just go in the hole. So it's following the hole down. And then when you get to a point, you just it literally just drives it in itself. Done. Perfect every time. No stripping, nothing. Absolutely perfect.